That's how my neck cracks. I guess because it's calcified like C2 to C7. When I rub it, it cracks. And that's why I figure it's got to be calcification because that wasn't there before I had posterior injections.